Welcome to Singing with Ron! Welcome to this new section on belting. Belting and contemporary styles of singing are really taking over, and it is what most people are wanting to learn these days. About 7 years ago, I went and took my first Estel voice training course, and just to discover what belting was. And I learned a lot about the voice, not just about belting, but just the whole entire anatomy of the voice, but that's a whole other lesson. So belting is different than classical voice in a lot of very wonderful and strategic ways. And so if you're coming from a classical background and you're starting to explore voice or belting and contemporary voice, hey Oreo, what you want to start thinking about, especially if you're a woman, is that you've come at it from a head voice, and what you want to start finding is chest voice or speaking voice. So, which is more natural to men, but there's a lot of guys that talk up here too, and so they find that high belting very easy. But women especially have a harder time trying to find these contemporary voices sometimes. So start working on finding some low sound without lowering your larynx. Ah, ah, ah. So try this. Go ooh, ooh, ooh. Or e, e, e. Ooh, e. So getting your larynx up, usually we think about that is higher sounds, but just don't feel like you have to lower your larynx and go ah, 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 down in here. Ah. And what I usually do with ladies is doing just 1, 2, 3, do, re, mi, re, do, ah, 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 ah. And notice that I'm using a little glottal at the beginning of the sound. Glottal helps us to find speaking in chest voice. Ah, 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 and the evil laugh, which we'll do later. So that is a little intro to the sounds that we're wanting to start to explore in this belting section. Hey, Mr. Nicky Pants. How are you? Yes. Oh.